Okay. So good morning, guys. Okay, right. So yesterday in TC language commands, okay, commit and rollback we discussed in the last session. So now we said here, careful observe, commit and rollback, these two commands, how it was working means any one transaction, open the door. These people are nonsense. Okay, now see here. So commit and rollback. So this commands are how it was working. If you perform some operations and finally if you give it commit, all are committed. If you give it cancel, all are cancel. So either any one only happened, either yes or no. Okay, either you commit means here, yes, I committed my transaction successfully. That's called a yes. So I don't want to commit my transaction. I want to cancel my transaction. Then I choose what now? Rollback. So either yes or no was happening. But when I want to go for a specific row, if I want to roll back, okay, into my table, so how it will be means here, there we can create the third command is called as what now? Save point. So text heading, save point. So basically save point, what it was happened, you can see, for example, the purpose of save point here observed. So when you created save point guys here, okay, so when we create a save point, okay, a save point, internally, okay, internally system, okay, is allocating, system is allocating some memory for your save point, some or allocating some special memory, allocating some special memory for a save pointer, for a save pointer. Okay, now, so now this is what the purpose of your save point. So when I want to use my save point, what it was happened here, okay, so when we created pointer, so internally what it was happens, the system is allocating here some special memory for your save pointer. And why, sir? And in this special memory, whatever it was allocating by the system for your pointer in this special memory, so what I can store means I can store, observe, in this special memory, okay, so we can store a specific operational, okay, row, otherwise rows data, okay, which we roll back. So your rollback means cancel, which we roll back or cancel. Okay, so in the future, so in this special memory, so what it was happen means, okay, so in this special memory, we can store a specific operational row or rows data. So which operation? Insert, update, delete, whatever it is, the three operations. And regarding to those three operationals data, specific operational rows or row data, okay, so that it will be stored under special memory, okay, and which I stored under special memory. So for what purpose I'm storing the transactional data in a special memory means, okay, which we roll back in the future. Okay, so which you want it or which you want to roll back. So the rollback row data or rows data I can save under one special memory. Okay, now, and that special memory we are creating by using of what now? Pointers. Okay, so whenever you want to create a pointer, one special memory will be allocating for you. Okay, now, so in that special memory, my required transactional information I'm keeping there. Okay, and that information, whenever I want it to roll back, I can roll back. Okay, right. So that is what the save pointer, the purpose. Okay, now, but how to create a save point? Okay, now take side in. So how to create a save point? Okay, now you can see the syntax to create your save point here. Okay, so what is this? Save point, and here I want to give my pointer name. Okay, that's what. And the same as how we created save point here, in the same as how to roll back, how to roll back a save pointer, a save pointer. So how to roll back a save pointer? Okay, so there is my syntax here. The syntax of a specific pointer should be roll back, and here you can give now the pointer name. Okay, now here carefully observe one point. Here rollback to save pointer is there, but how to commit a save point is not there, because save points are created for especially rollback purpose, not a commitment purpose. That is the first point should be remembered. Okay, na? So maybe some students are have a doubt. Sir, can I commit save point? Okay. So when you commit save point purpose, not necessary to create a save point. Yes or no? So which you need to commit, directly you can commit it. But it's not necessary. Again, I want to create a save point, and after save point, I want to do commit. Not necessary. Okay, so, and that kind of formulas, syntaxes are not there in the database. Okay, now, so save point especially designed by people rollback purpose, but not a commitment purpose. If you want to do commit, there is no save point is required. You can directly go to commit. Okay, now, but this was only for rollback is what? Cancellation of your specific operation. Okay, that purpose you can go to do it, but commitment purpose, it's not happen. Okay, now, right. So now here, these are the syntaxes, how to create your save point and rollback. So let me see some examples. I will show you some practically, then you will get some idea. Okay, now see. In the last session, we created one table. What is the table name, guys, here? Sample. Okay, so this is my table, serial number, name, and locations. So these are having total how many number of rows here? 5 rows. Okay, and this is we called as what now? Permanent data. Okay, it's called as a permanent data. So now from this permanent data, one of the operation we will do now. So for example, delete, and I want to take here sample, and where serial number is equals to 1. So carefully observe one by one. So I deleted this. Once you deleted your data from your table, the deleted data, where it will go? In your instance memory. Instance memory is nothing but hard disk or RAM memory. So that you confirm now. There is no doubt in that now. Keep it that. And now you can see. So first record serial number I deleted, and the deleted data saving under RAM memory or instance memory. Okay. Now second one 105. This is also directly I deleted. So directly I deleted means this fifth row data also storing under instance memory. Okay, now that's fine. But I don't want it for 1 and 5. I want it some specific row. The 3 I want it now. For that which you want it to roll back. Okay. For that purpose, we need to use what now? Save pointer. So save pointer P1 I was created here. Okay, sorry. Your command is what now? Save point. Save point P1. So save point P1 I created. So whenever you created a save point P1, it's called a pointer name. Syntax also same I was given now. Okay, right. Now, so pointer is created. For this pointer P1 purpose, it was allocating some special memory. But sir, this special memory allocating from where it is? It means that again, RAM memory only. And this pointer is also saved under instance memory only. Yes or no? So that means here what it was happen, you can see. Okay, now. So now this is your database, guys. Okay, so your database here. So in this database, we have your total, how many rows? 5 rows was there. So 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5. There are 5 rows are there. Out of 5 rows, first row I deleted now. So first row deleted. Deleted from database and storing under which memory? Instance memory. Okay, this is my instance. Okay, here it will be save your first row data. Next I deleted which one? 5. So 5 is deleted from your database, and this is also saved under instance memory. And after that, what I did here, created pointer. Okay, for this pointer name is what now? P1. So P1 pointer is also, okay, will be allocated or created under instance only. But it P1 purpose, it was allocating some special memory. Understand now? So P1 is not a separate. It is also part of instance memory. But it was allocating some special memory for that pointer P1. Okay. Now, in this pointer P1 memory, which was allocating by the system, okay, what I want to store, which row you want to roll back in the future, okay, that row information I have to store. So which row, for example, 103 row. Okay. So 103 means I'm going to writing here. How I want to write now? So delete from, okay, my table sample. Okay. So where serial number is equals to 3. Then what happened when I'm executing this query? This 3 number is deleted from where it is database, but deleted data, okay, where it will be saved here in the pointer, because can you see this delete command I'm writing after save point. That means whatever the operation you did here, that operational data is saving under pointer. Okay, that is the mean of that. Okay, now 3 is deleted from database, and that will be saving under which memory? Pointer memory. So now it will be saved. The number is what now? 3. Okay, so that means finally what it was happened. Okay, finally what it was happened. So 1 is not there. Next one is what now? 3 was not there in my, okay, database. And next one is what now? 5 is not there in my database. So remaining, what remaining are there here? 2 was there and 4 was there. Only these 2 rows, remaining rows are deleted from the database, and those rows are having into where it is your instance memory. Okay. So now tell me 1, 5. this two rows data was having out of the pointer. Yes or no? Yes. And third row is having under pointer memory. Now you want data. What do you want data? I want to roll back the serial number 3. So serial number 3 row, I need to roll back now. Then what we want to write here? What is the syntax to roll back? Roll back. Okay. To which pointer? P1. Yes or no? Now tell me, if I'm using rollback to P1, under P1, how many rows I saved? Only one row I saved. What is that? 3. So rollback means what? Saving or cancel? Cancel. So whenever I want to execute this command, what happened? Which one cancel? Pointer. I'm cancelling what? Pointer. So pointer memory cancelled. It is cancelled. Cancel means in this whatever the data was there, the data again get back to database memory. Again get back to database memory. So 3 came up. Yes. 3 again it was came to their undo position. Yes or no? Yes. And remaining, how many rows left in my instance memory? 2 rows are left. 1 and 5. Suppose these 2 rows you want it again. For example, if you wanted these 2 rows also, then what I want to do? Here I want to write a simple rollback. What is that? Simple rollback. That's it. If I'm using a simple rollback, what it was happened? The remaining 2 operations which I performed here, this is cancel and this is also cancel. So both are cancel. 1 cancel and 5 cancel. Then 1 again come back to your database. Yes, it will take a 1 position and 5 will be cancel and 5 will be taking as it is your 1 position. So again it will be came as. Okay. Suppose, sir, I don't want it here. Okay. I don't want it here. Okay. 1 and 5, I don't want it. I don't want it means permanently I want to delete it. The remaining 1 and 5, which was there under instance memory, so that I want to remove permanently. So that means in place of rollback, what I want to use? Yes, I want to use what? Commit. If I did commit, what it was happen? This 1 is deleted, 5 also deleted. So these are permanently deleted. And finally, in your database table, what it is? 2, 3, and 4. Understand now? So this is internal process, what it was happen once you created your pointer. So let me see same thing. I'm going to do it here. Yes, okay. These are deleted. First row delete, saving under instance memory. 5th row delete, saving under instance memory. And after I'm creating, say, pointer, memory is allocated for pointer. In this pointer, which you wanted. Okay. So which you wanted, where serial number is equals to, suppose 3, specific row. I deleted here. This is also deleted. Deleted, but saving under your pointer memory. Okay. So now finally, come back and see your table in the database. Okay. How many rows are left? 2 rows are left. What are that? What are those here? 2 and 4. So 2 and 4, these are the 2 rows are left. Suppose you can see here, 3 rows I deleted. 1 row is under pointer memory and remaining 2 rows are having in the instance memory. Suppose I wanted this specific one, I want it now. Okay. Then what I want to use? I want to use a rollback to, what is that? P1, and see your specific one we cancel or not. Rollback is command. Okay. It was happening here, and let you see your specific one. We got it. You got it? What you wanted? Yes. So which one I stored in my pointer memory, so that again I successfully restored into my table. Okay. Now 2, 3, 4. Okay, fine. But remaining 2 rows are there. 1 and 5. 1 and 5, where it is? Instance. Suppose those 1 and 5 also I want it now. What I want to use? Rollback. If you don't want it, then what I want to use? Commit. It's a depend on your choice. Okay. Suppose first example I'm showing with the rollback. Let you see what happened. Rollback. Rollback means what now? Complete cancel. Okay. So now we can come out and see remaining 2 rows also got it now. Yes or no? Yes. So this is what the save point advantage. For example, suppose you people have again one more doubt. Sir, I'm going to delete it here. So 1 is deleted. Again I'm going to start it. Next one is 5 is also deleted. 1 5 deleted from database, again storing under instance memory. Okay. Now I created one save point. Save point is also successfully created. In this save point, okay, which row I wanted here? 3 that I saved. Now tell me total how many rows we deleted again? 3 rows. 1 3 5. But 1 5 is there instant, 3 is there pointer memory. Okay. And finally come back your table, again 2 rows. Again 2 rows. So now I'm asking, if I did only rollback, what's happened? If you did only rollback, it means that only save pointer operation only rollback, or complete all operations are rollback. What is your guessing? Complete all or only save pointer? Complete all. Why, sir? Here why, sir? If anybody asks you why, sir, means here what happened? Database deleted data from database, whatever it was deleted. Okay. The data deleted from your database and storing under where it is, I said, instance memory. So that means here 1 is saved into instance. 5 is also saved into instance. Your P1 is also having under instance memory. And for this memory, it was allocating some pointer. And in this pointer, which row I'm saved here? 3rd row. Now you can see your 1st row and 5th row, your pointer and your 3rd row. These are all are having in the same memory na? Yes or no? Yes, same memory na? Yes. So instance memory. So that's why what happened, if I'm using this rollback, what it was happen? These all are cancelled. These all are cancelled. That means including your save pointer also cancel it. Understand na? Because these all are having under same memory, RAM memory. That's why all are going to be cancelled and all are going to be restored into your table. Let you see. Let you see. I just going to execute here. Rollback is done and let you come back and see your table. All are got it. 1 is got, 3 got it, and 5 also. When I did a rollback, after save point, if I did rollback, even though all are coming to us. Now tell me, if it is all are coming to us, is it necessary to create a save point? Not necessary, na? Yes or no? Yes. It's not necessary to create a save point because I'm going to roll back my all operations. Then why are you creating save point? Save point intention is what now? Specific rows or row only roll back it. But if you go to all are rollback, then tell me here all are I roll back here, then I created save point. Is there any user? No, nothing. Even though the save point also, without the save point also, I directly delete this one and this one and do rollback. All are coming now. Yes. Okay now. So that's why save point intention is what now? Few specific rows only we can go to get it. Out of so many rows, then you can use what now? Save point. Okay. Now, for example, if I'm going to say, suppose if I did here, again 1 I deleted, 5 also deleted, save point is created, 3 also deleted. Finally, my table is having 2 rows. Now, if I did commit, what's happened? All are committed or only save point is committed? All are committed. Why, sir? Because all are having in the same memory. So how it is say all are rollback? Here also all are committed. For all commitment purpose, again it is necessary to create a save point here? Not necessary. Yes or no? Even though you save point create or not create, if you do commit, then it is committed. Yes or no? For that purpose, I don't want to go for save point again. Okay. So now, if I committed, see what happened if I committed. Yeah,
committed. Committed means what happened? Permanently deleted. Even though whatever the data I saved in my pointer, this row also permanently deleted. Let me see deleted or not. After commit, if I'm using rollback, what's happening? You can see rollback command is executed. That's okay. But happening or not, you can see now. Got it? Got it? No. Where is your 1? Where is your 3? Where is your 5? Is there? No. Why? Because already we committed. Understand na? So after save point also, if I do commit, then committed only. There is no special case here. Understand na? Yes. So this is what rollback and commit. But save point especially we designed for what purpose? I said specific rows or row. If you want it, there itself you can go to create a what? Save pointers. Otherwise, not necessary for us. Okay. So that is the reason I'm saying here, your rollback, that means rollback to save pointer only we have, but there is a no syntax for commit to save pointer. Commit to save pointer, no syntax, because it always commit. If you committed, then why are you creating save point? Not necessary. Yes or no? So that is what. Okay. So this is what now or save pointer advantage. For example, if I said one single row, I said, but not only one row, even though multiple rows also we can save it. How it is. For example.
So again, I have 2 records and I'm using truncate command on this my sample table. What does it mean by truncate? Permanent deletion. So now you can see my table is permanent deleted. 2 and 4 also deleted now. The remaining rows also I truncated, deleted. But after truncated, if I use rollback, what's happened? Now we can see what's happened. Data is came. No, why? Because truncate is a permanent. That already we knows that. Yes or no? Now okay, fine. Again, my table is empty. There is no rows in my sample table. Okay, fine. Now I'm inserting now. So insert into sample, sending values. Now serial number. Now I'm taking 101 for example. Some name is A, some location is HYD, and the second record 102, the name is B and location was UP, and the next one is 103, the name is C and location was MP. Okay, and next one is 104 D and location was okay, so Pune, and next one is 105 and E and location was, I'm going to sending some location here, Chennai. Okay, that's fine. So again, these all are what I'm doing here, committed. Commit means all are permanently saved and come back to your table sample. Okay, yes. Again, we have a 5 rows. Okay, now. So now out of these 5 rows, let me see, I'm going to writing now. So delete from sample. Okay, so where serial number is equals to 101. Okay, 101 is deleted. Writing in down format. Okay. Okay, right. So delete from sample where serial number 101. So deleted, and this 101 where it will be saved? Instance memory. Okay, fine. After that, I'm creating what now? Save point. Okay, P1. Pointer is created. Okay, in this pointer memory, suppose you need to save multiple rows. Multiple rows means which operator I'm using? In operator. So which I want it? 103, 105. So yes, how many rows deleted? 2 rows are deleted. 2 rows are deleted from your database memory and saving under where it is? In pointer P1. Okay. Then come back your table. Yes. Remaining 102, 104 was left. And now we can see. Now I'm using here roll back to, what is that? P1. If I roll back to P1 means under P1, how many rows I kept? 2 rows. I just observed the 2 rows are came or not. Came na? Yes. And remaining row is what? 101. 101 where it is? In instance memory. Suppose if I do commit, what's happened? 101 is there or deleted? Deleted. From where? From instance. So that means is it permanent? Yes. So now we can see if I call table, 101 is not there. After that, even though if you try to roll back, but still it was not coming out. Okay, now? So that means save point, understand now? Yes. Okay. This is save pointer command to usage. Okay. But here one question will come. Sir, who will tell you this row roll back, this row not roll back? Okay. So who will tell you means it's a depending on your requirement. That means when you're working in companies, your team lead or project lead, they will set to you or they will tell you, okay, these rows keep into pointers, these rows don't keep into pointers. So that complete information your team leads and project lead will give to you. Based on that, you will be preparing your program. Understand now? Here, I'm not a decision maker. Yes or no? My wish, I want to take any row means it's not possible. Okay. We are working depends on client requirements. Yes or no? Projects means what? Client requirement, you know? Otherwise, if you got it a job in a company, I'm a Java developer, my wish, I developed my application in my own way. If you do like this, no one can give money. Yes or no? So they are providing salary to you means for what purpose they are providing? Are you developing some other person requirements? Yes or no? Your requirements you develop, how I can give money? Not necessary now. It's not necessary now. Okay. So you are a developer means you are developing some other person requirements. The other person is what now? Your client. The client is saying that I want it like this. I want it like this. I want it like this. And you want to write like this. You want to write like this. You want to write like this. Yes or no? So that's it. But it's not like that. No, sir. I'm a Java developer. I can do anything in my company. That is not possible. Okay, now, even though database people also, whatever the database application they're developing or they are going to be maintained, it's also maintained depends on clients only. In which way client is expecting, in that way we need to provide. That is our work as a developer. Understand now? Then only client will give money. Yes or no? Otherwise, he will not give a money. Yes or no? So that's what. So this is what your commit, rollback and save points. Okay now. But here observe. These transactions, commit, rollback, save points, these all commands or transactions, how it was working in real-time applications. Okay. How it was working in real-time applications means that, here observe. In real time, nowadays everything is online. Yes or no? Almost maximum 80% is we are performing through online application. Yes or no? Manual system is very less, maybe 10-20% is here. Okay, but almost 70 to 80% is we are performing our transactions, our day-to-day live transactions, everything through what? Online. Okay, so now just think about, sir, if I have one application, through that application, there are number of users are using that application, and through that application, there are number of users are doing some transactions. For best example, banking is there. Okay. So in banking, can I do online transactions? Yes or no? Yes, we can do it online transactions. But these all online transactions, how many people will do it? Is there any limitation? No, number of users. So for example, SBI Bank, per a day, it's nothing but 24 hours. How many number of users are performing transactions? Can we say? No, it's unlimited. Maybe today there are 15 lakhs people did. Tomorrow 10 lakhs. Day after tomorrow 50 lakhs. We can't say exactly. Yes or no? So today some less people, tomorrow more, day after tomorrow more, day after tomorrow again less. Yes or no? This kind of the up and downs are there. But these many transactions, how your databases are managed, sir? Okay, this is not only one customer transaction now. There are number of customers. They're going to be performing their transactions through online. But these all customer transactions, how database server will be maintained, managed, how it will be? Yes or no? If I want to manage offline and online, it's very difficult to us. Yes or no? You have two classes, if you want to teach means, it's highly difficult to the trainer, because online people are expecting something, offline people are expecting something. These both people we need to collaborate together and satisfied to these two people means how much difficult to train us. Yes or no? So here 100 people, there are 200 people. So we are going to be combined and we want to give some training. But here what happened, in real time, there's a number of users are there, number of customers are there. So these all customer transactions, how database servers are managed and maintained. Okay, now? So that question will come to you, because in any certain point of time, maybe your database server can shut down now, because these many transactions are going on now. Yes or no? Yes. But how, sir, it will be managing, okay, without getting any problems? How the lakhs of customers' data managed by your databases? Okay, it means that your all transactions which you perform through online, that all online transactions, how it was accuracy and consistency manner. Accuracy means exactly whatever you wanted, that was exact. Consistency means without having miscommunication or mismatching of data. Yes or no? So regularity of your information. So once if I updated, deleted, that's called as a consistency. Okay. So now here, okay, fine. So now these all are how it will be managed by your databases means there is some properties are there. All database management systems, it means SQL Server, Oracle, MySQL, DB2, whatever it is, all database management systems are having, okay, are having some predefined properties, having some predefined, okay, properties. Okay, so some predefined properties. Okay, those are called as, anybody expecting? Those are called as, what is that? What is that? Asset properties. Okay, so all database management systems are having some predefined properties. Okay, those are called as what now? Asset properties. So with the help of this asset properties, what it was going to be happen means, with the help of asset properties, your transactions are, okay, your transactions are what now? What I said? Accurate and consistency. Accurate or consistency. Okay, na? So why your all transactions which you performing through online, how it is accuracy and consistency means, the reason is what now? Internally, every database management systems are supporting what? Okay, asset properties. And these are the predefined properties. We don't want to do anything, already inbuilt here in your database, and inbuilt. These properties are automatically manage your transactions. But how it is, sir? What is asset? So what is the stand of A? What is the stand of C? What is the stand of I? And what is the stand of D? So let me see one by one property. I will explain to you. Okay, with some examples. Observe. The first one is called as A. A means what now? Atomicity. A stands for atomicity. Here, atomic means what? Atomic means a single. Okay, atomic means a single, or else we can say one. Okay, now, right. So atomicity. Atomic is nothing but, first of all, the meaning of atomic understand first. Then you can easily understand the concept. So atomic is nothing but what now? Single. Only one. Okay, multiple is not the meaning. It's a meaning of single. So single, okay, every transaction, whatever we perform through online, that every transaction will take as a one transaction by your database. Your database server, sir, how it was taking your transaction means, in a transaction, you can do number of internal operations. We are performing number of internal operations, but that all combination will take as a one transaction. For example, let me see best example for you. Is a daily, in our day-to-day life example. Suppose ATM machines are there. All of you aware na? Jaकर money dalna, nikalna. Now, suppose I want to go ATM machine and withdraw, deposit, transfer, whatever you can do. But I am doing one transaction now. My transaction name is what now? Withdraw. So I wanted some money here. Okay, now. So I want to go ATM machine to take some money. Okay. So here withdraw is my, what I can say, one transaction. So this transaction I have to do now. For withdraw transaction purpose, okay, generally customers are going to using what now? Simply ATM machines. Okay. So whenever I want to go and perform this withdraw transaction, suppose my account balance is, okay, assume that my account balance is how much here? 10,000 rupees. In our account, how much is there? 10,000 is there. Okay, fine. So my balance also there. So I'm going to ATM machine. And what I need here, I want to take some 3,000 rupees. I want to withdraw. Okay. So can you tell me, if you want to withdraw some money from your account through ATM machine, is it directly will go and take? Otherwise, we need to do some procedure. We need to follow some procedure. Yes or no? What kind of procedure we need to follow for going to ATM to withdraw your money? First one, see, observe carefully. First one, insert ATM card. Yes or no? Yes. After that, you need to select your language. Shortcut I'm writing. Okay. Next one. Okay. After language, what it was say? Click on. Okay. So click on which option? Banking option. Okay. So after click on banking option, what is the next one? What do we want to do? So now I need to click on which option? Withdraw, because I have to do. Yes or no? Withdraw. So withdraw option. What is with after withdraw? So now we need to select your saving account or else current account, etc. After that, what do you say? Enter your amount. Enter your amount. Okay. Suppose I'm going to enter my amount. How much amount I need? I said 3,000 rupees. So I enter 3,000. Okay. Then after, what it was asking to me, enter PIN number. So I will enter some PIN number. Okay, fine. After enter PIN number, finally, that is called a decision making option. The final it was happened here. What is that? Yes or no? Yes or no? This is procedure now. Maybe little bit up and downs are there because different ATM machines are having different procedure. But if you say this is one of the procedure, okay, right. So now here observe. Here how many internal operations I performed here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And last one is what? Eighth one. This is called a decision making option. So when your transaction, it may be successfully complete or it may be successfully cancelled. Total, how many internal operations I have to do? 8 operations. Okay, now, suppose you came, you did this all, and what you wanted here? Money I wanted. If I wanted money, which one I choose here? Yes button. Yes is called as what I said. S is called as what? Commit. That means, are you committed to take a money? Understand now? So now, suppose you did this all, but finally your decision is change. What is your decision change? I don't want it money. Then what I want to choose? No. No, I want to choose? No. No means what here? Rollback. This is the concept of commit and rollback. Okay, now? That's fine. Okay, sir. Sir, okay. So now I choose yes or no. Okay, if you choose yes or no, tell me how many transactions are you performed? How many transactions are you performed here? If you click on yes button, if you click on no button, how many transactions you performed? 8 transactions, na? Only 1, not 8. Sure. So are you saying only 1 transaction we did? Not 8 transactions. So this entire process I'm asking here, how many transactions you did? 8, Only 1 transaction you did. No doubt in that. Be confident. 100%. Lock कर दूं? ठीक है. Right. So here, how many transactions we did? 1 transaction we did. Don't think 8 transactions. What? Where are your 8 transactions? Where it is? Only 1 transaction you did. In that 1 transaction, how much amount are you withdraw? 3,000 rupees. Yes or no? So now can I say here, atomicity. What is the meaning of? Atomicity means what? Single. That means whenever you want to do some transaction, in the transaction, whatever the internal operations we performed here, these all operations combination, it will take as a 1 transaction. That is called a atomicity. Clear all of you? What atomicity property, what it will do internally for your database server means, with the help of atomicity property, your database server will take as a all whatever you did, either 10 or 20 or 30 or whatever you did internal operation, these all operations combining together, and it was treated as a 1 transaction, and that 1 transaction it will be respond. Understand now? Don't think that 8 transactions. Where is 8 transactions here? Only 1 transaction. That's why after you did this all the things, okay, you say yes, you say no, finally you will get some slip. Yes or no? In that slip, can you identify anybody? Transaction ID number is there. Yes or no? Tell me how many transaction ID numbers are showing? 1 showing or 8 showing? 1 showing now. Yes or no? We are internally performed 8, 3 plus 3, 6, 8. 8 we perform. But your transaction is showing only 1 ID number. How it is, sir? Means it is the help of atomicity. Are you clear now? Yes, this is called as a atomicity. So this property already inbuilt in your database. That's why database will be manage your transactions in such a way. Okay, now? So every transaction will take as a 1 transaction. In the transaction, you did any number of internal operations. That was none of the matter, but it will treat as only 1 transaction. Because of reason, atomicity property will give like that. Okay, right. And what is the next stands for? C. C stands for. C means what I said? Consistency. Consistency, can you see in my Demo, early classes also we discussed. Anybody recall? In our first starting early classes, introduction to DBMS. What does it mean by consistency? Regularity. Have a confusion or no confusion? No confusion. Inconsistency means confusion of data. Now you see. Suppose my question is, here your account balance is how much, guys? 10,000. How much you withdraw? 3,000. So you carefully observe. Before transaction, okay, shortcut I'm writing, before transaction, my account balance is, before transaction, my account balance is how much? 10,000. After transaction, your account balance is how much, guys, here? That means 10,000 minus 3,000 is equals to 7,000, and the 7,000 your remaining withdrawal amount is how much here? Okay. So 7,000 is a after transaction. Okay, after transaction. Now you can calculate. Okay, this is total amount. Otherwise, I'm saying that this is before transaction. Okay. After transaction, your balance amount is how much? 7,000, and withdraw amount is how much? 3,000. Okay. Now you can check it. Balance plus withdraw amount. Total before balance. Right or wrong? Is it clear? What is the before balance? 10,000. After withdraw? 7,000. How much amount I withdraw? 3,000. So my balance 7, my withdraw 3, 7 plus 3, 10. 10 is equals to before transaction. Satisfied? Yes. This is called as a consistency. This is called as a consistency. For example, if you have a 10,000, okay, now, are you taken how much here? 3,000. So are you taken 3,000? But if still after transaction also, my balance is 10,000. If it is showing like this, after transaction also, your balance is 10,000. Then what happened before transaction? How much? After transaction, how much? How much you withdraw? 10 plus 3. Your balance, is it satisfied? Calculation is wrong now? Yes. Actually, my balance is 10,000. I was already taken 3,000. Remaining how much I want to show? 7 I want to show. But how much is showing? Again 10 is showing. So again 10 plus 3,000. 10 plus 3. Your amount is it equal or different? This is called the inconsistency. But this kind of situations will you face in the banking sector? No. Very rare cases. If you have to like that, maybe your transaction will not completed. Okay, maybe your transaction is pending. Yes or no? But once your transaction is successfully done, you never get a inconsistency problem. Understand now? So your balance is showing something means your transaction is still not committed by people. Okay, sometimes you can see this kind of problems also we are facing. We are going to bank, deposit money. Okay, already my balance is 10,000 before deposit. If I go to deposit 5,000, immediately how much it will show? 15,000. Yes or no? But what happened? Some customers are after deposit immediately they're coming and checking. But showing 10,000. Hey, what is 10,000? Hey, 5,000 kaha chala gaya mere ko? Tension. Yes or no? Because you didn't get message, first thing. Second one is what now? Your database is not updated. When it is updating your balance, banking people will do it commit. When they do commit, then updated here. But so many customers are tension. Are you here? What does 5,000 still 10,000 only? He will be tension. Even the educated people also tension. Yes or no? We are also sometimes tension na? That kind of problem. So they technically understand why it is not immediately updated means maybe banking people are not committed your transaction. Committed means successful, permanent, but still they are not going to did. That was still pending. Understand now? That is what. So that's why don't take a tension. Sometimes what happened, we are sending amount to our friends, phone pay, Google pay, something. We are sending 10,000 sending to your friend. Here it will showing what? Transaction success. Your message is transaction success. You are going to phone, you are calling phone and asking for friend, hey, already I sent amount here, check out your balance. So he will check. Are sorry, yaar, not came. Then again he tension. Not came, transaction successful, yaar. We are saying like that. So here, this is what educational people also blindly thinking like this. So he was saying sending, transaction successful. But that person saying that not received. So why it is not received means that is not your problem. Yes, your transaction success. It was showing in your mobile. But database is not still updated. It's not updated. That's why that person is not getting that information. Then up to there, after 2 minutes or 1 minute or 5 minutes, you can call. And now you can check it here. Are yaar, aa gaya yaar. Came here. So that's why this is what sir means. It is what now? Commitment and rollback. That's why don't take tension. Okay. That's why maximum transactions will be having what now? Consistency. Because of reason, how much balance, how much you taken, and what is remaining. This calculation, if it is equals to your balance, then your transaction is called a consistency transaction. If anything wrong is showing that, this is called as what? Inconsistency. Okay, sometimes the people are very happy. My balance is 10,000. I already taken 3,000, but still my balance is 10,000. Oh my God, 3,000 is benefit. So we are thinking this type of problems also we are facing. Yes or no? We are taking 3,000 after immediately checking balance. But still 10,000. 3,000, 10,000, 13,000. Ye kahan se aa gaya money? Yes or no? So that kind of confusion also there. But just to give a 1 or 2 minutes after can check, what happened? 7,000 showing. Because of reason, the transaction is not committed by banking people. Okay, na? So that's why certain time will be taken. So that's why don't think that, oh, my balance is more, my balance is less. Okay, it's everything is your dependency. Online transaction dependency through it was happened. Okay, so now, okay guys, this is 7,000. So guys, so just now we're discussing banking operations, and one of person card was we got it. Check out your people. Anybody on this card? Your name is not there here. HDFC. Check out. If anybody your purses, you can check your purse here. You have or not? योर्स अरे इसमें मनी होगा तो उसको एक्सपेंडिचर कर सकते हम लोग करेंगे चलो पार्टी कर लेंगे इसके साथ shall we go to lunch but I don't know how much balance if balance is zero na in hotel हर एक काम करते हैं एक वेटर एक क्लीनर एक कुकर उसका भी एक प्रॉफिट चला जाएगा या और क्या check out guys seriously check out all of your purses girls girls always no because boys is there yes or no girls no credit cards no debit cards nothing because उसके पीछे एक बॉडीगार्ड है, ए कुछ चाहिए तो ए कम यार, जी मैडम बोलिए, कार्ड दे दो, शॉपिंग हो गया है। Okay, just I'm joking here, huh? Don't take serious. I'm just kidding here. Okay. Anyway, guys, right. So consistency. Consistency means what? Not to maintain accurately or regular information. Once it is update, minus, add. Whatever you did, that information will be accurately updated into your system. That means your database. Okay, that's what. And next, come back here. What is the next one? So these definitions I was given in the notes, okay? Just here I'm explaining here. Next one is what now? I. So I stands for your isolation. Isolation. Okay. So isolation. What is isolation means? Every transaction will be independent. Understand now? One transaction will never interference into another transaction. Okay, for example, suppose nowadays we listen this kind of accounts. Anybody listen this account? Joint accounts. Anybody listen? What does it mean by joint account? Both people can access same account number. Yes or no? Generally, if you're taking our family, mother, father, or husband and wife, yes or no? So that means same account number can access by how many people? Two peoples. Yes or no? Now we can see. For example, guys, here, suppose in your joint account, your balance is 10,000 rupees is there. Okay, no? Fine. So now, here, X and Y, so maybe these two people, father and son or father and daughter, mother and daughter, whatever it is. So two people are there. So suppose X is a father, okay? So Y is a son or daughter, whatever it is, okay? Right. So now here, your balance amount is how much here? 10,000. So on the same day, same time, careful observe my point. On the same day, same time. Okay. Suppose your father is going to do, your transaction is deposit. He was going to do deposit transaction. On the same day, same time, son or daughter, okay, he or she, this person is going to be withdraw some amount. So your father, suppose father is going to be deposit here. There is 10,000 rupees you want to deposit. That means you're going to deposit. And your son or daughters, okay, he or she, okay, they are taking how much here? 5,000. So both are on the same day, same time. These both people are doing two different transactions at a time. Is it possible? Possible or not possible? It is possible. Why it is not possible here? Your father is doing what? Deposit. We are doing what? Withdraw. Account balance is how much? 10,000. Happily can take now. Yes, because of reason, every transaction is independent, not dependent. If it is a dependent, means what it was happening, you know? So one, that means other customer transaction will be complete. You should wait your transaction. Are you doing like this? No. So what is the online advantage? Online advantage is what? We can do any transaction. Yes. I don't want to depend. I want to wait. Oh, up to my dad will go to finish the deposit. Then I can go to withdraw. If you have a balance, don't do like this. Yes or no? Even though if you don't have a balance, even though your transaction is performed, but what it was say? Balance is not there. Yes or no? Your transaction is performed, but finally what it was come? Sorry, insufficient. So transactions are independent. One transaction will never depends on another transaction. Deposit, withdraw, transfer, mini statement, balance inquiry. So all transactions are independent transactions. Okay, now. So that is the reason every customer transactions will be accuracy and consistency. For example, I said SBA Bank is there. In SBA Bank, per day, how many transactions done by customers? Number of transactions are done. So your transaction is yours. My transaction is mine. Your transaction is yours. Is it like that? Okay, he want to finish. Until he want to finish, I want to wait. Huh? No. So until I was finished, she's wait. No. Your transaction, your account number. My transaction, my account number. She's transaction, she's account number. So all we can go to do at a time, whatever it is. Okay, because every transaction is a independent. How it is independently maintained by your database servers means with the help of what now? Isolations. With the help of what now? Isolation. So isolation means what now? Every transaction will be independent. One transaction never interference into another transaction. Okay, now this is what the next one is called D. D stands for durability. So what is your durability? Durability means here, okay, suppose while you performing some transaction, while performing transaction, suddenly, okay, power off. That is called abnormal terminations. For example, you have a mobile. Okay. So nowadays we are going to be transferring money through phone pay, Google Pay, etc. So when you're doing some transaction, suddenly your mobile switch off. What's happened? Your database balance is any affected here? No. Because up to how much transaction will be done, there itself it will be cancelled. Yes or no? For example, are you going to ATM machine? Are you inserted, selected, banking, withdraw? But after you entered saving or current, enter amount and enter PIN number. So in PIN number, suppose you enter wrong PIN number. What are you doing? I can cancel now? Yes. So otherwise, if you inserted, select language. Okay, you want to click on bank. Okay. Next option is what now? You want to click on withdraw, but unfortunately you click on deposit. What do you want to do? Can I cancel now? Yes or no? That means in any stage, in any level, I can cancel my transaction. Anything is happened to you? Not at all. Okay. Suppose first you inserted, language selected, banking option also selected successfully. But suddenly by mistake, I want to click on withdraw, but unfortunately click on deposit. Then what it was happen? If I do mistake, then there itself, can I cancel my transaction? Yes, we have some cancel button. You just go to click on cancel, and here itself, your transaction will be cancelled. So same thing, while you performing your transaction through online, suddenly, unfortunately, abnormally, your power off. Okay, for example, your mobile power off, otherwise Wi-Fi connection is closed, something has happened, but still it was not affected to your databases because of reason. So that kind of facility will provided by who is this? Okay, durability. So durability means what now? If any abnormal terminations are happening while you perform your operation, but still your operation will not affect here. That means your database is not affected. Your database data will be accurately maintained. Okay. So these are the durability, isolation, consistency, and atomicity. So with the help of these properties only, nowadays databases are maintained accuracy and consistency of your data. Okay, now why my account is accurate? Why my account balance is showing accuracy? Okay, why my transactions are accurate? Means of reason ACID properties internally managed. Okay, now, and these ACID properties we are not user defined. These are inbuilt properties. Here we don't want to do anything here. Just you have to do transaction. That's it. But internally your transactions will be maintained by your databases with the help of ACID properties. Understand my point now? Right. So these are the transaction related information guys here. Okay, which will come to transaction controlling language commands. Okay, now, and this complete running notes and main notes. The both I'm going to sharing here just now. Now only I'm sharing here. Wait for that. Okay, right. So the running notes I uploaded into Google Class, and main notes we will send to you. Okay, na? Right, guys. So now I stop it here. Okay, and we'll continue tomorrow. Okay, with new topic. And online people stay here. Online people stay in your class. Okay, online people don't log out. Stay there. Right, offline people leave. Offline people leave. Online people stay there.
बट रियल टाइम में ज्यादा यूज करते हैं आंसर बिकॉज रीजन व्हाट आई सेड कंपैटिबिलिटी पोर्टेबिलिटी आई सेड ना सो इसके साथ आंसर को ज्यादा यूज करते हैं ये नॉन आंसर वेरी वेरी रेयर ओके इसको ज्यादा यूज करते हैं सो आप इसके ऊपर फोकस करो आंसर के ऊपर हाँ मैक्सिमम इसको चूज करो जो भी टू टेबल दिया है आपको जो करना है इसके ऊपर ओके उसके हिसाब से आपको आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा मैक्सिमम आंसर लिखो नॉन आंसर मत लिखो ओके इफ दे विल बी मेंशन right in the form of non answer means you can use non answer he didn't mention anything then first priority is answer okay ना और बाद में ये इतना प्रायोरिटी मत दे दो इसको प्रायोरिटी दे दो अब वो स्पेसिफिकली पूछेगा तो ये इतना पड़ेगा ओके ना
Online students online students, are you here? I'm audible, guys. Online students, I'm audible. Okay. Guys, here one information I want to pass you. The day after tomorrow, Saturday, you have a complete doubt session. I will take it on Saturday. Okay. So day after tomorrow is a complete doubt sessions. So as of now, whatever we discuss the topics here, in that topic you can ask. Okay. Yeah, Saturday. In the topic, whatever your doubts are there, we will discuss those doubts in Saturday. Okay, na? Online people. So weekly once I will interact with you. Okay, weekly once I will interact with you. Okay. So timings, what it is timings? So tomorrow I will inform to you timings. Tomorrow I will inform to you. Okay, na? Yeah, tomorrow I will inform you timings, and based on that you should go to prepared. Okay. Right, guys. So weekly once I will manage to you. Okay, I will interact with you, whatever the doubts you have it here. Okay, na? Right. So, right, guys. Thank you. Thank you so much.